geometric shapes are used quite extensively in logo design, and you can see it in some really well-known logos, such as Orange, HSBC, and the BBC. Now they all use geometric shapes almost exclusively with the typography, but there are others such as Firefox and Vodafone, and they both use geometric shapes, but they use it combined with a symbol. So you can try doing the same thing. So for example, at first, try just using those geometric shapes and see by almost using them almost exclusively what sort of ideas you can come up with. So for example, I came up with here the idea of little cubes making a graph. And I also came up with the idea of using a circle, a triangle and a cube, plus a few extra little bits, to make sort of an iconic version of a man improving. You could also create some new symbols where you're enclosing them somehow in a geometric shape, or you can even look back at some of the old symbols that you've already done and to see if they would work better somehow enclosed or using a geometric shape. So try a few of those out and see how you get on.